If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
We are making protein noodle Alfredo lasagna, and we're gonna make the most delicious Alfredo sauce. You're gonna want it on your zoodles or just about anything. And we are gonna start with a block of Kerrygold. Can you open that up? And I'm gonna.
This is an actual gold Kerry.
Kerrygold. And
What is that mixing?
if you've never had brown butter before, check out the brown butter video. It is delicious. I'm gonna like hurry up. I'm gonna take this from you and open it up. We're gonna put this right on into the pot, and we are going to brown the butter, which takes a little bit of time, but brown butter is the most delicious thing ever. Be careful, Kai. I don't want you to hurt yourself or burn yourself. You're also going to want cream cheese, a whole block of cream cheese. You wanna open that one up? Because we have some time. And you're gonna want garlic. You could use raw garlic if you want. We're gonna use my roasted garlic, which I made a video for you. Roasted garlic is delicious. I have this in my freezer for recipes like this. And it's nice and caramely. Careful, bud. You want me to do it?
I'm good.
Okay, just let it melt right now. Don't touch it, okay? Just let it melt. And you're gonna want roasted garlic. This is our Alfredo sauce. It's delicious. You okay there, Micah? Yeah. And then you're gonna want a cup of Parmesan cheese all grated up we have right here. You could use Asiago, anything like that if you like more. Now you can move it a little bit, okay? Now we have the butter sizzling. Open that all the way, but set it right here, okay? And the butter's gonna froth up and little brown flecks will appear. Have a whisk. I love my whisk. I use it almost every day. So we're gonna let that cook down and we'll come back to you in a little minute. So see the butter is frothing. Oh, we have a sibling rivalry. What's that, Kai? Your gummy bears? See how the butter's donuts, gummy donuts. The butter is frothing up, and that's what you want. It's looking good in the neighborhood. And you want broth. Broth is going to help thin it out. I use Kettle and Fire chicken broth. You could use your beef broth. You could use your homemade stock, whatever you want. I love Kettle and Fire because it makes my life so much easier. So, yep, you got to keep whisking. Yep. See how it's turning brown? Okay, now I want to turn it off, and I'm going to add the cream cheese. All right. Now, yeah, you can mix it up, and I'm going to add garlic. So I'm going to squirt a little bit of garlic on in there. There we go. If you like garlic, you could add more than that, but that's enough for me. Oh boy, now it's getting big. So I'm going to add this.
Mix.
Always start with a bigger pot than you thought you'd want. And you add about 2/3 of a cup. I'm making a lot of Alfredo sauce because it's just so darn delicious. And I'm going to add 1 cup of cheese. Oh, I'll have you put everything together, my friend. Okay? So now I'm going to turn this back on just so it melts. So I'm going to show you. Squirt that like that. Stab it. So you want to make your Alfredo sauce. And once the Alfredo sauce is established, we're going to make our chicken mixture. Let's see. Let's get this pan. Here, Kai. Why don't you put the ground chicken into here? Okay? No, like this.
Oh, I put that in.
There you go. I can help you out. Scrape it on out. This is why it's nice to have helpers. So scrape that all into there. Put that aside. Roasted garlic is awesome. So I'm going to actually take this off from you, and you're going to keep stirring it though. Is this hot? Not too bad. So put that down. There we go. I'm going to put this over here, Micah, and you could stir that. Okay? And Kai and I are going to start on the ground chicken mixture. So here you go, bud. This is your job. Kai, where are you? Now we're going to saute this up. There you go, Mr. Kai. And you're going to season it with salt. So I'll get the salt. There we go. Got a Redmond real salt, which we love. There we go. And we're going to saute this up, and we'll be back in just a minute. Okay, everybody, Kai did such a good job making our chicken. Mikey did an amazing job making Alfredo. You know what? You make Alfredo for your girlfriend someday. You are going to be a lucky boy. Anyway, we are going to finish this up. So what we are going to do is we're going to put a layer of meat of the chicken. Yep, right on in the bottom. Right on in the bottom.
Oh.
Yep. I'm going to save this for that. So do a layer of chicken. And then we are going to do, we have our organic deli meat. These are our protein noodles. Remember, everybody? Yummy, yummy. And we have our oven on because we're going to put this on in the oven. So we want to save half of it. That's good, Kai. Stop. We need half of it for the second layer. So let's see. Let's do a layer of cheese. And Micah, would you do the Alfredo sauce? We need about half of it on top of the cheese once Kai is done. There we go. Yeah, put some more cheese on in there. Wow, Kai, we have some sausage or chicken sausage on the ground, don't we? I'm stepping on it. Okay, Mikey, your turn. Let's put some Alfredo sauce on top.
And then we're gonna put a second layer after
We got to
this.
put the protein noodles on there. And this is absolutely amazing. If you skip the garlic, it is a carnivore lasagna. You know that?
No.
It is. So what do you think? You got about half of that on there? Now, Kai, can you put some deli on there? You could use a layer of, if you have, what's it called? Cottage cheese. You could do that if you wanted to also. But we're just going to repeat the layer. There we go. This is like square lasagna.
Using the deli meat again.
Yep. We love Garfield. Kai, you want to tell a story about John Arbuckle and Garfield? No? You're good?
I watched that like when I was like 8.
8? Oh, okay. Now we're going to go back here and finish all of this. You want to help?
Yeah.
Okay, you put all of those on there. Put all of that on there. Oh boy, we have a lot on the floor. You know what? Cooking with kids is so much fun. It might be a little bit messier, but you know what? These memories last forever. So teach your kids to cook, right? Right?
This is not gonna be full.
That's okay. That's all right.
worry.
We'll just spread it out a little bit. You want about 2 pounds of ground chicken. You could use ground beef if you wanted to. I think I said that already. So let's put all the cheese on here. Ready? I'll hurry up a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, let's keep it neat. Now we have it all over the floor. Now I'll let Micah do his. I'm actually going to help you out, Micah. I'm going to do this. Ready? Quick, quick, quick. There we go. We're going to pour that all over.
Oh man.
Oh man, and then top it with some more of that. There we go, my friend. Spread that on out. Ooh, careful now. We want there we go. Now, our lasagna is ready to go into the oven and we'll catch you back in a little bit. Oh my goodness, it smells like Mama Maria's Italian restaurant in the kitchen. It smells delicious. Let's check it out. Alrighty, we have our protein noodle Alfredo lasagna and it smells so good. Now don't cut into it right away. You want to let it set. Yeah, let like the cheese harden. You wouldn't cut into a regular lasagna. Don't cut into this right away. Maybe give it an hour to rest. But yeah, you know what? I had a great day. If you want to see a day in the life of what it looks like for me, I wake up and run. Check out the video that we have, My Keto Life, I think it's called. It's on YouTube. But
Also,
yeah.
let your kids cook because you make better memories. Like sometimes when you cook by yourself, you're like,
oh, it's like a chore, right?
Yeah.
It is always fun with you guys. That is right. Sometimes it is a chore.
Yeah.
And you'll make memories for a lifetime, right? And if your kids are picky, if they help you cook, they're more apt to try it. So true, right? What do you want to say?
Hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
And comment below on
What we should make.
Yeah, we'll make whatever you want us to make. We'll make fools out of ourselves, right?
yeah.
Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video with your